Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorial Lore. In this video, I'll show you how to use a page builder app to design your Shopify store easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a page builder app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for a page builder app like GemPages, PageFly, or Shogun. Click to Add App and install it to your Shopify store. Step 2. Create a new page. Open the page builder app and select Create New Page. Choose from pre-made templates or start from scratch. Step 3. Customize your layout. Drag and drop elements like text, images, buttons, and product sections. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Step 4. Optimize for mobile. Preview your design on different devices and make adjustments to ensure a seamless mobile experience. Step 5. Publish and test. Save and publish your page. Visit your store to check the layout and functionality. Make any necessary edits for a smooth user experience. That's it. Now you know how to use a page builder app to design your Shopify store. Found this video helpful? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. I do not intend to violate any copyright restrictions. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.